Welcome back, learners. So, in today's session, we will be going through complete revision. Yes, you heard it right, of Pure Mathematics 3. So, without wasting much time, let's go. This is question number 1. The question number 1 states solve the equation, give your answers correct to 4 decimal places. So, this is our equation, right? Let's try to solve this one. So, the equation is ln 1 minus e to the power minus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. So, what do we do first? Take 3 to the other end. ln 1 minus e to the power minus 2x equals to negative 3. Take everything to e to the power. So we should know e to the power ln x is x. Okay, so e to the power ln this would be this only. 1 minus e to the power x equals to e to the power minus 3. Okay, send this 1 to other side. So e to the power minus 2x equals to e to the power minus 3 minus 1. This is negative, okay? Now, multiply everything by negative, it would be e to the power negative 2x equals to negative e to the power minus 3 and plus 1. All right, now take ln both sides. Sir, what are we doing? We are taking e, we are taking ln, but this is how we have to solve the question. So you have to bear with me. Okay. Now take ln both sides. So we should know that ln e is 1. And if we have ln e to the power x, that is x ln e. Again, this ln e becomes 1. So this would become x. If we take ln here, if we take ln here, now what will happen? This will happen, my friends. Ln e to the power minus 2x minus 2x ln e. This would be ln 1 minus e to the power minus 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? Over here we have minus 2x equals to ln 1 minus e to the power minus 3. This negative 2 will go there. X equals to 1 by 2 negative ln 1 minus e to the power minus 3. There you got it, learners. You have your calculator with you. Put this in your calculator and you will get the answer as 0.0255. Show me a double thumbs if you got this one. Double thumbs up. Very good. Let us move on to the next question. All right, learners. Now let's try this question. A curve is xy square plus ln x plus 2y equals to 1. Find the gradient of the curve at the point where x equals to 0. Now, first things first, I have to find the gradient of the curve and I can see y over here, right? So whenever this is the scenario, you have to find dy over dx, but you also need to know the y coordinate. So I will find out the y coordinate. To find the y coordinate, we have to move to the equation. Put x equals to 0 here. So this would become 0 plus ln 2y equals to 1. ln 2y equals to 1, e to the power ln 2y equals to e to the power 1. All of us know that e to the power ln x equals to x. So it would be 2y equals to e to the power 1 and y equals to e by 2. Now we know the coordinates. Let's find out dy over dx. We will apply product rule in this one and chain rule in this one. Okay, so applying product rule in xy square. What is product rule? If we want to differentiate xy square, first differentiate the first term, that would be 1y square plus, now keep the first term same and differentiate the second one, that would be x times 2y dy over dx. Now the question arises, why are we putting x as 1 and y square as 2y and then dy over dx? Why is this happening? Let us try to understand this with an example. For example, y equals to x square. Alright, what is dy over dx? That is 2x. Right? With respect to x, we are differentiating. So this would be 2x. Y is the function which is dependent upon x. So if I say that differentiate y square, what would be y square? Y square would be x squared squared. So y squared will be x to the power 4, and differentiation of x to the power 4 would be 4x cubed. We multiply by the power and then subtract 1 from the power. This is how we differentiate, right? Very good. Now listen very carefully. This was the differentiation of y square. Now look like this. If I differentiate y square, it would give me 2y. What is the value of 2y? 2 times x square. With respect to x I am talking about. So it would be 2x square. Now if I multiply this by dy over dx, what was the value of dy over dx? It was 2x. Multiply it by 2x and the answer would be 4x cube. See, we have reached the same conclusion by a different version, right? Yes or no? Because y was the function which was dependent upon x. So while differentiating it with respect to x, we have to put this additional dy over dx. All right, learners, I hope you understood this one. So we will move forward now. All right, this is done. Plus, let's apply chain rule in here. All of us know that ln x differentiation is 1 by x. So this would be 1 upon x plus 2y times it by the differentiation of this one because x was not here. Here we had x plus 2y. So what would be the differentiation of x plus 2y? Tell me. Yes, sir. It would be x differentiation would be 1. 2y's differentiation would be 2 dy over dx equals to 1 and differentiation of 1 is 0. So we'll put it equals to 0. Differentiation of a constant term is 0. Now, let's put the value of x equals to 0 first. So it would be y square. See, this complete term would be 0 because it is multiplied by 0. Alright. This would be plus 1 upon 2y because this would be 0 times by 1 plus 2 dy over dx equals to 0. Multiply everything by 2y. So this also by 2y to remove the denominator, nothing else. And this also by 2y. So it would be 2y cube plus these two will be cancelled. 1 plus 2 dy over dx. Any doubts still here, learners? If you have any doubts still here, you can leave it in the comment section. Okay? Equals to 0. 0 times 2y is 0. Take this y, 2y cube to the other end and this 1 as well. So this would be twice dy over dx equals to negative 2y cube. Side changes, sign changes. Negative 1. Side changes, sign changes. Divide everyone by 2. This also by 2. This also by 2. This also by 2. Okay. So these will be cancelled. Dy over dx equals to negative y cube minus half. Put the value of y cube over here. And our dy over dx equals to, what was the value of y? E by 2. So, negative e by 2 cube minus half. Yes, negative would be outside, don't put it inside. Dy over dx, that is the gradient, will equals to negative e cube upon 8 minus half. Show me a double thumbs up till here. Then we will proceed to the next question. See, in this session, we are not only solving the past paper, I am teaching you how to think and we will cover the basic concepts as well. I will give you reasoning for each and every step I do over here. So buckle up your seat belts, learners, and do watch the complete video. Okay? Now let's go. Let's try this question now. This is again a question of complex numbers. Okay? Let's try this number. The shaded region on the Argand diagram shows points of representing complex number z defined by two inequalities. The shaded region is bounded by a circle and a line parallel to the real axis. The boundaries of the region are included in the shaded region. All right. Boundaries are included, okay? Find two inequalities in terms of Z that define the shaded region. All right. You have to find two inequalities that define the shaded region. Okay. See, first of all, to define it, we know that we have a line over here. Can you see this line? Repeat after me. Can you see this line or not? Yes, sir, we can see a line. Oh, now tell me, if I draw a line like this on a normal axis, this is 3, and I draw a line like this, what is the equation of this line? The equation of this line is, sir, y equals to 3. Yes or no? If I draw a line like this at 2, what is the equation of this line? The equation of this line is x equals to 2. You should know this. Okay? So, this is a line at negative I, that is negative 1. So, we can write it like this, and we are shading the lesser part of it. See? Are you imagining it with me or not? Are you just sitting idle? Open your notebook and pen and think with me. So we can say this, that imaginary part of the number is less than equals to negative 1 because this part is included, right? So we got first inequality over here. What would be the second inequality? See, can you see the coordinate of this circle? Okay, sir. Yes, sir. We can see the coordinate of this circle. The coordinates of this circle is negative 2 and 1. So what complex number would it represent? It would represent negative 2 plus I. Do you agree with me or not? All of us know the equation of circle. Yes or no? What is the equation of circle? Z minus Z1 less than equals to or greater than equals to R. What is the radius of this circle? It is 3. Okay. So what would be the equation of this circle? The equation would be Z minus 2 plus I less than equals to 3. Why less than equals to? Because we are shading the inner part, see, and equals to because we are including the boundaries. Okay, now multiply this negative side inside, so it will give us z plus 2 plus, not plus, negative, sorry, multiply this by this. Now this is positive and this will become negative, minus I and less than equals to 3. So these are our two inequalities of the shaded region. Easy, learners? Easy or hard? See, this one is the center coordinate and this is the radius. Okay, whenever you are locating a circle on an Argand diagram using a loci. Done? This is done. Now find the greatest value of mod z for all the points in this region. Let me teach you one thing first. We have to find the greatest value of mod z. Okay, now let me erase it and teach you how to find the greatest values and least values. Stay with me, learners. This is the most important question which is asked in the examination. Okay. First of all, repeat after me that the greatest, repeat after me, that the and least, greatest and least values are found from the origin, are found from the origin. Yes or no? Just tell me this. Yes or no? Yes, sir. It is found from the origin. All right. Now listen. The greatest distance from the origin, think about it, of the shaded region. Would it be this, 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 or this one? Try to think about it. Of the shaded region, every point in the shaded region, which distance would be the maximum? Yes, you got it correct, learners. It would be this one, right? This distance would be maximum. Yes or no, as we are approaching? All right, very good. So I'm erasing it. And we have to find this region. This distance we have to find. All right. Are you ready with me or not? Are you ready with me, learners, or not, to solve this one? Any doubts still here? Do you want me to repeat it? We have to find the greatest and least value from the origin. And the greatest value we have to find in this question C. So, which point will be that at the maximum distance? This one. The same case we do with the angles as well. Alright, now we have to find this length. How can we find this length? We have to use trigonometry for it. We have to use trigonometry. Okay? Now, listen. I will teach you how we will find this one. Don't worry. To find this one, I can see I have a triangle over here. Right? This one. Can you see this triangle? But I don't know this side as well. And I don't know this side as well. No worries, sir. What I will do is, I will calculate. I know this length. I know this length. And I know this length. But what is missing is this one. Exact length of this yellow part. Yes or no? Think with me. Think with me. If by any chance I calculate this one, this yellow part, by any chance, then I can solve this question and I can calculate the length, the greatest length. Yes or no? So what I will do is, to calculate this yellow part, I will extend it like this. Okay? This is 90 degrees. We know the radius is 3. We know this distance as well. What is this distance? 1 and 2. So this is 2. Can we find the yellow part or not? Yellow part would be using Pythagoras theorem. 3 squared minus 2 squared square root. That would give us square root of 5. Yes or no? So we have the yellow part as well, that is square root of 5. We know the red part as well. What is the red part? The red part is again 2. We know this part as well, this is 1. Now it is easier for us to find the hypotenuse. Can we find it or not? Think with me. Are you thinking, learners, or not? So I am solving it with you. So the hypotenuse squared, let it be x. So x square equals to 2 plus root 5 squared plus 1 square, and then square root of it. To find x, we have to take square root, right? So it would be, I'm solving it here, x equals to square root of 4 plus 5. I'm opening the whole square, right? You know how to open the whole square? 4 plus 5 plus 4 root 5 plus 1. That would give us x equals to square root of 10 plus 4 root 5. Alright, so this is the final answer. This is the maximum value of mod z. Okay, so what is the answer? 10 plus 4 root 5 square root. You got this one also, learners. If you have doubt in anything, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, there's no need to feel shy. I will answer each and every question. Now, see, till now all is well, everything is good. The easier questions are there. I will try to completely revise your P3. I will try to help you in completely revising your P3 in 2 sessions. Okay, part 1 and part 2, because we are dealing in depth. Okay, now this one. By expressing the equation 10x minus 60 equals to 2 cot x as a quadratic equation in 10x, solve the equation for this x range is 0 to 180. Okay, very simple, very easy. Don't worry about this question because we are going to solve this one. Before starting this question, you should know that 10a minus b equals to 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b. If you don't know this, you will have a formula sheet MF19. Don't worry, you will get it. Alright, so I'm expanding this by using this. So we will get 10x minus 1060 whole upon 1 plus 10x 1060 equals to 2 cot x. Now you should also know that cot x equals to 1 over 10x. All right, it is a reciprocal of it. This you should know. Don't search it in the MF19. This you should know. Okay. Now, quota, you can learn like this. Okay, quota. Now, so I can write it like this: 10x. The value of 1060 is root 3 upon 1 plus 1060 is root 3 again, root 3 10x. Yes or no? Equals to 2 upon 10x. Sir, why 2 upon 10x? See, cot x was 1 over 10x. So I've written it like this only. Okay. Now, what I will do now is I will take this and cross multiply. Multiply this by 2 and this by 10x. So it will become like this: 10 square x minus root 3 10x. Are you imagining it with me or not? 2 plus 2 root 3 10x. Okay, take everything to one side. So it will become 10 square x minus, see, this will become minus, and if we take minus root 3 10x minus 2 root 3 10x, it will become minus, right? Side changes, sign changes, so it will be minus 3 root 3 10x. So I will write it the same: 3 root 3 10x minus 2 equals to 0, right? Take 10x as u or y, whatever you want. I am taking as u. So u square minus 3 root 3 u minus 2 equals to 0. You may use the quadratic formula. It is important to show the quadratic formula. Don't use the calculator directly, otherwise you will lose marks. Okay, let me be very clear. You have to use the quadratic formula. So this would give us u equals to, what is the formula? X equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula. What is the value of a over here? A is 1, sir, the coefficient of u square. What is the value of b, sir? B is negative 3 root 3. What is the value of c? C is negative 2. All right. Got this one, learners? Very good. I'm plugging in the values in this formula. Okay. Just put it in the formula, then you can use your calculator. Okay. No need to solve it further, but put it in the formula. So u equals to 3 root 3 plus minus square root negative 3 root 3 square minus 4 into 1 into negative 2 upon 2. Okay. Now you can use your calculator and you may write the answer that u equals to 5.556 or u equals to negative 0.3599, or u was 10x, right? I will write it like here: u equals to 10x. Okay, I'm writing it. But this you should write earlier, okay, before one step. Now we have this 10x equals to 5.556. You know that we are talking in degrees, right? Okay. Now, how can we solve this one first? We will draw add sugar to coffee. Write it like this: add sugar to coffee. Now we can see clearly that the value of 10 is positive. Okay. And where is 10 positive? 10 is positive here and 10 is positive here. Now put in your calculator x equals to 10 inverse 5.556. After putting it in your calculator, you will get the value of x as 79.8 degrees. All right. Now listen very carefully. This angle what you got is the basic angle. Always remember that calculator gives you basic angle. Now what is basic angle and what is actual angle? Let's try to understand it. See, angle from the x-axis is the basic angle. So this one is the basic angle and we got over here 79.8. All right. So in this case also we got basic angle. 10 is positive here and 10 is positive here. We got two angles. This is 79.8. Angle from the x-axis. See, and from the x-axis again, from the x-axis, not from the y-axis. Students, you take like this. This is wrong. Okay, from the x-axis, from the x-axis. Repeat after me, from the x-axis. Always calculator gives you the basic angle. So this is also 79.8. Now, what is the actual angle? Actual angle is measured from this line in either directions. If you are moving anti-clockwise, take it positive. If you are moving clockwise, take it negative. Now, in this direction, the first answer for this would be 79.8. We will have a second answer as well. See, we are moving from here and we will end till here. So it would be 180 plus 79.8. Can you imagine it? See, we have moved 180 till here plus 79.8. So 180 plus 79.8. These are our two answers from this one. The same way, we will try to calculate from this one as well. Okay, let me erase this part now. Common mistake is done over here only. So try to understand this very carefully. So 10x equals to negative 0.3599. X equals to tan inverse. Never put negative in the calculator. I've told you, never put negative. Okay, because I said so. X equals to tan inverse of this, and you will get the value of x as x equals to 19.8. All right, now listen, draw the quadrants. Add sugar to coffee. See, the value of 10x was negative. Where is 10 negative? 10 is negative over here and here. See, all are positive here. Sine is positive here. Tan is positive here. Cos is positive here. Okay. So all are positive. So tan will be also positive. Tan is positive. So tan will be positive. Tan is negative over here and over here. Now we will draw two lines like this. And we know the basic angle is 19.8. What is the basic angle from the x-axis? So this is from the x-axis and this is 19.8. Again from the x-axis is 19.8. So we will have our two answers from here as well. Start measuring the actual angle from this, which would be 180 minus 19.8. Can you see it or not? So 180 minus 19.8, which would give us 160.2. Now measure from here. We are measuring clockwise direction. In clockwise direction, second answer would be minus 19.8. So we got our four answer, this and this. Now let's check the range. The range of our answer should be between 0 and 180. So two answers are qualified for it, this one and this one. These are not in the range, so we will exclude them. So our answer would be 79.8 and 160.2. Very good, learners. You got this one also correct. Let us move on to the next one. Again, a question of 5 marks. Square roots of this can be expressed in Cartesian form where x and y are real. By first forming a quartic equation in x or y, find the square root in the exact Cartesian form. Alright, there are very many ways of solving it and many ways of finding a square root of a complex number. Now, tell me first, negative 4 plus 6 root 5 iota is our number. We have to find the square root. We don't know the square root. If we don't know it, let us assign it a variable. Okay, I'm assigning it like x plus iota y. Let the square root be x plus iota y. I don't know x, I don't know y. Valid? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides will give us negative 4 plus 6 root 5I equals to x plus I y whole square. Now, negative 4 plus 6 root 5 iota equals to expanded x square plus, now there's the tricky part, I y whole square. So it would be I square y square. That would be negative y square. So it would be plus negative y square. Alright, plus 2xy iota. So we will get negative 4 plus 6 root 5I equals to x square minus y square plus 2xy iota. This is the imaginary part. and this is the real part. This is the real part, this is the imaginary part. Equate them. Equate them fast. Very good. So x square minus y square equals to negative 4 and 2xy equals to 6 root 5, y equals to 3 root 5 upon x. Yes or no? Just make y the subject and now plug in the values over here. Can we do it or not? So it would be x square minus, am I going too fast? Am I going too fast, learners? If yes, then improve your speed. Okay, I will not slow down. Let's go. Improve your speed. Am I writing it correctly or not? Just tell me that. Yes, sir, you are doing it correctly. Now this would be x square minus 45 upon x square. You have your calculator. Come on, learners. You know that the square of this is 45, right? Okay, use your calculator if you cannot use your mind. So this would be multiply everything by x square. This also by x square. This also by x square. It is in numerator, okay, not in denominator. We are multiplying everything by x square. So these x square will be cancelled. Yes or no? Yes, sir. These will be cancelled, and we will remain with x to the power 4 minus 45 equals to negative 4x square. Form a quartic equation. Quartic. Let's go. So it would be x to the power 4 plus 4x square minus 45 equals to 0. Take x square as u. Let u equals to x square. So we will have u square plus 4u minus 45 equals to 0. We will have u plus 9, u minus 5 equals to 0, u equals to negative 9, u equals to 5. See, now x square, because u was x square, right? X square equals to negative 9. Over here, we will get a imaginary part. We cannot take square root of a negative number, right? And x was real. See, x was real. I'm not joking. X was real. See, so this part we will exclude. We are excluding it completely. Okay. Now x square equals to 5. X equals to plus minus square root of 5. Okay. Now substitute it. Substitute it into here. And you will get your y. Okay. Both values. So y would be 3 upon root 5 upon positive root 5, and y equals to 3 upon root 5 upon negative root 5. So y would be plus minus 3. So what are our square roots? G equals to root 5 plus 3 iota and root 5, negative root 5, negative 3 iota. Yes or no? When x was negative root 5, y was negative 3. When x was positive root 5, y was positive 3. So these are your two answer, learners. Easy or hard? First tell me that. Easy or hard? Are you with me or not? That's it for part 1, learners. I will see you in part 2, in which I will complete this paper, and wait and watch for the next papers as well. We will be completing complete concepts and in depth.